Hello children, welcome to today's cultural and creative arts. In today's class, we are looking at the meaning of art. The meaning of art. Art is a visual and non-visual presentation of feelings, thoughts, or imagination through drawing, painting, music, drama, literature, or dance. I repeat, art is a visual and non-visual presentation of feelings, thought, or imagination through drawing, painting, music, drama, literature, or dance. Art is the ability to create something beautiful for our use. Art is the ability to create something beautiful for our use. Now, let us look at the origin of art. Art originated from the attempts of man to create from his ideas items he can use to make life easier and comfortable for himself, his family, and community. The origin of art to the old stone age, when early men used their creativity to produce simple farm implements or tools like cutlasses, hoes, and spears. These assisted them in their daily activities of hunting and gathering of crops for their families. The early men started the art of painting when they documented their hunting experiences on the walls of caves. They also made use of colors from soil and planned to create designs and drawings on the wall of their caves. Now, importance or uses of art. Art is created serve many purposes. Among these are art is created and can serve many purposes. Among those purposes are it is used for communication. It is used for expressing one's feelings. It is used for decoration and beautification. It is used for communication and commemoration. It is used for keeping record of important events, history, and culture. Now, let's look at Nigerian artworks like weaving, brass works, poetry, carving, leatherworks. So today we have looked at the meaning of art, the origin of art, the importance of art, and Nigerian artworks. I believe you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class.
Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.